Today we are going to repair the key of Benz. From the appearance, we can know this key is belonging to a girl. When we asked her why she chose to repair it, she said to save money. First of all, let's take off this shell. And we can see it is still very new. Since this key has not been repaired, it is different from the keys sent by others. Remove the battery, step by step. From this part, we can see it is deformed. Then I think the chip of the key is false welded. It is difficult to remove a new key, so look carefully. First, push up the chrome strips on both sides. Take off the other one and remove the latch of the key. Next, remove the shell. As we said, the key has not been repaired, so it will be a little difficult to remove it. Knock it open with a piece of metal. Why is it so troublesome? Because the original intention of the key design is one time. Take off the shell and remove the motherboard. Power it up with a regulated power supply. Then observe the working current of it. Since it has no current, the main control chip is not working. According to the deformed part, it seems there is a little air in the plate layer in the deformation area, so it may cause the wire on the pad break. Check it carefully. Although this part is cracked, this part has no wear. Then we can pass this step. Now checking the main control chip. When we remove the chip, we need to protect the buttons. After removing the chip, we can see the wires on it have been broken, and their 4 pads have been dropped. Clean up this pad first, and then repair it. Scrape off the insulating point on the wire, which is conductive to the next step. At this time, we need to polish the pad slightly. Install the chip and test it. After pressing the button, we can see all the functions are normal. Then we can restore the key and measure the voltage of the original battery. It can work too. Install the key in the original order. Test the key again after putting the shell back. Then put all the covers back. Okay, that is the whole repair process. Bye!